Although you have used a good quality of materials during the construction, but it does not depend upon only on the quality of materials but also quality of workmanship, and sometimes due to the effects of temperature also. Even sometimes minor mistakes also leads to a number of complications. So a technical person is mandatory during the construction, even it is a petty works also. See here, this is it's a hairline crack, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is a hairline crack. It is just like a half of the crack is appearing, half is not appearing, just like a staggered path with a zigzag manner. We use epoxy. Epoxy, actually, it is a hairline crack, and half of the crack is appearing, half is not appearing. We shall prefer another method. Tools you required is a chisel, hammer, a trowel. First, we have to cut the groove with this chisel with a width of 1 inch. Exactly 45 degrees must be there. You need a Dr.fixit chemical of 301 pedigree URP. Soon after a very long time, I have made this groove. This is the cement of PPC, and this is a fine sand passed through 100 sieve. I am mixing the cement and sand, then I am taking the chemical and pouring up as per the required ratio, which is given in the instructions of that bottle also. Mixing is to be done perfectly. Some add some water. You have to mix up to this suitable consistency, and you have to apply in the groove. I have completed almost. The crack is filled with the cement mortar. Some more little compaction to remove the air voids. These air voids will cause a lot of problems. Here I am spraying the fine sand over it for the good bond with the undercoat. After 30 minutes you have to apply the undercoat with the Dr.fixit 101. Mix it well. And finally apply a brush coat with the cement mortar. Finally you say the I wanna have a word with you. Give first preference to the method rather than the chemical. Obviously, all the chemicals having the same nature of bonding, but only depends upon the method of application to the suitable problem or a particular or concern problem. We have to find the solution. Just and a technical person is mandatory during any operation. Solution is important. Just find it.